Hello and welcome to my channel, Wonders of Price Action. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly time frame chart of gold. Now gold is looking like that being rejected from this level 1893. It looks like so because it has a excellent support. This is the monthly time frame, and monthly this was the excellent breakout, and this looks a good support right now. Now we will have to confirm this on the short time frames. On the weekly time frame, from this level, it looks like that the gold is being now rejected from this level. This was the high range week, and I am still very confident the gold is going upward right now. We don't see any high range downward week. And from this level, we see that this level has been in the past, it was resistance here, support on these levels. And now let us move to the daily time frame for watching this. On the daily time frame, watch this is very important level. It has been on this level in the daily time frame in the past for some days, and then it was the time when it came down. But again, it came upward with a very quick and fast and a bullish trend. From here, it has come down to retest this level. Now it is high probability that it will keep going upward. On the 4-hour time frame, let us move to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are looking that this is a nice watch here. Let me show you that this is the 4-hour good upward trend, and now then it came back down to retest this shoulder, and now it is going upward. Now we are going to find the entries, stop loss, and uh, take profit options on this trade. Now let me show you. These are the, now I want to make it a bit shorter so that you could find it, you could watch it easily. Now this has been rejected from this level, that is 1893.070. Now the best option that I find now for entry is 1909. This is the year 1909, and a stop loss below this, and that is 1900. Entry is 1909, stop loss is 1900, fast track profit option is 1919, second tap profit option is 1930, fourth take profit is 1940, fifth take profit is 1946, and the last is 1956. Now, how many we have take profits? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting from 1919 to 1956. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.